Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Rajiv Pujala. In this video, let's take a look at text function. So what exactly this text function does? The text function is used to format numbers, dates or values into a specified text format. So let's see how we can achieve this one in the spreadsheet. So let's assume that we have three columns, which is the sales amount, and we have growth percentage, and we have a date. So I always love to to perform the beautification. So let's say we have three records. So I would like to have a table here. Let's say this is like 12,000, so 75 cents, and the growth percentage is like 0.05, and the date. So let's say is equal to date of. Don't worry about this function. We have a separate video on this how to use the date functions. For now, is equal to 2025, first month, uh, day is second. Okay, let's do this one. Now I have something like 1500.3, 0.08. Let's say this one. I would like to have date of 2025. I would like to have month first, and date is first. Okay, something like this one. Okay, let's center this one. Do the horizontal alignment. Okay, let's delete this row. Okay, now let's see, we have the sales amount over here. Now ideally, so if in case if your company needs to present a sales data in reports, so I mean usually what we will do, sales amount in dollars, something like this here. So instead of that, if you would like to have a dollar here, so instead of like updating the dollar here, instead of doing that, so what we can do, we can use the text function to have or to format the data as per our requirement. For example, let's see, format sales amount as currency. Let's say we have the currency in US dollars. Let's see how we can do. Is equal to, so it's very easy. It's little bit tricky to understand, but try to focus on this one. Is equal to text of, so what is the value over here? This is the value, and the format text. So I would like to have a dollar first, so I'm double quotes, and inside that I would like to have a dollar here. This is my character, and then what I would like to have, I would like to have my values like, okay, let's do dollar hash. Okay, let's close this one, and let's see the value. Okay, now we have a dollar. So here hash is nothing but whatever the amount, that whatever the number here, it will represent, it will come over here. So you can see the dollar and the number, it is represented by hash. Okay, when we do this one, so it has round of the value 0.7521 and 1500.3 into $1,500. But we would like to exactly show the exact numbers over here. So for that, what we can do, comma. So how I would like to show 1200, 12,000. So 12 comma 1000 dot sound. This is how I wanted to show. So I'm gonna do this. So hash comma, and then two hash. Okay, so after comma two hash 0.00. Let's do this one. There it go. So this is how you can you by using the hash and playing with the hash on hash symbol, and then the values here, you can format the data as per your required. So for example, let's say the growth percentage. So we have the growth percentage, display growth percentage as percentage. Let's see. So instead of showing like 0.05, for example, if you multiply 0.05 into 100, so this is a percentage, it gives 5, right? Now, if you would like to say like, if you would like to show like 5 percentage, 8 percentage, let's see how we can do this one. So again, is equal to text of this data here, right? Is equal to text of this data, and I would like to have so 0 percentage. Do this one. There it goes. So this is how you can do the percentages by using the 0 percentage. So whatever the value over here, it will multiply it into 100, and it displays the values over here. I know this is looking like little tricky to understand, but by using this one, it's very easy to format the text as per your convenient. For example, let's say here the date, here it is zero. I mean, here the date is like January 2nd, um, 2025. Fine. Okay, and the second one, January 01st, 2025. For example, if you would like to have the report in this format, so what you can do over here, so let's say format date for display in report. Okay, let's see how we can do this one. So, so this is the month. So how many letters we do have? We have three. So M. Okay, and then we have days space after the days. How many is two? So DD, and the one the year, which is like year Y. So this is what I'm going to use over here. Is equal to text of this one, comma, and I'm going to have month, date, year. There it go. It is as easy as it. For example, if you'd like to have a comma after Jan 02nd, so what you can do after DD, you can put a comma here. That's it. There it go. So this is how easy to convert the data as per your format, or see, or without the formula as well. Actually, you can convert. For example, if you'd like to convert the date, so select this one, click on data, or right click on this one and click on format cells. Okay, so here go select the option date, and whichever for example, if you would like to have this format, click on that and click on OK. It will automatically convert the data as per your required format. And last but not the least, let's take a look at everything. So for example, if you would like to have combined report, combined report. So I am hiding all these. Okay, so let's say if you'd like to have a combined report, so let's display something like sales on 02nd January 20 20, for example, let's say like January, like this one, January 02nd 2025, where dollar 12,000.75, and with a growth of 5 percentage. Let's say you would like to display a message like this for the first record: sales on January 2nd where one this amount and with a growth of 5%. Let's see how we can do by using the text function. So what we want to mention, sales on, right? This is a text, and now and text of, so this one, comma, I would like to have a dollar and the pound, comma, again that no. Let's sales on first. Let's look at the date and text of this one. I would like to have. Um, I would like to have. I would like to display month first, month, date, year. Let's see sales on this one. Okay, we're all first milestone is completed, and after function, if you would like to have a text message to be displayed, and let's again put ampersand and again quotes, I mean where space, and I would like to have this one, the sales amount. So for that, text of this one, comma, dollar, because I would like to have a dollar before the currency, and a pound, comma, 00, sorry, dollar, pound, hash, comma, I would like to have 0.00, so that I can capture both the decimal values as well. Okay, so I want this one, um, and let's see this one. Okay, so this has come correctly and this has come correctly, but there is no space over here after 2025. So let's give a space here. Okay, and then let's add with a growth of ampersand. So the text of this one I would like to have in the percentage. There it go. So this is how you can format the data using the text function. So you have to focus on like how we are actually using the hash and decimals, like how we are representing them. That's the only tricky part. And once you understand the concept, then it's very easy to use. Thank you for watching this video.